In the figure below, trapezoid MNRS is made up of trapezoid MNPT, triangle TPQ, and parallelogram TQRS. The area of the triangle TPQ, so that's this triangle right here in the middle, that area is 84 square feet. So we don't know the height of that triangle, but that seems to me like it might be important. So let's figure that out. We know the area of a triangle is base height over 2, and then we can substitute in. The area is 84, the base is 12 times h divided by 2. So now I can multiply both sides of my equation by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 times 84 is 168 equals 12h. Now we can divide both sides of our equation by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, so we get h equals 168 divided by 12 is, you can punch that into your calculator or do the division by hand or think it through, but that is 14. So let's put that into our drawing, that our height is 14 feet. Okay, now I'm going to kind of clear everything I have here. Okay, now it tells us the lengths of NP, PQ, and QR are in the ratio of 2 to 1.5 to 1. So we need to find out what is the length of NP, what is the length of QR. We know that PQ is 12, and that matches up with the 1.5. So I'm going to do a little bar model here. Here's QR, here's PQ, and here's NP. QR is 1, but I'm going to split that into a half and a half. That's QR. PQ is 1.5, so that's a half, plus another half. And NP is 2, so that would be 4 halves. Okay, so we can kind of think of our ratio as 2 to 3 to 4 if we're working 2 to 3 to 4. Basically, we're just doubling all of the terms of our ratios. So I'm going to rewrite that nice and clean. 4, 3, 2. And those numbers, if you're wondering where we got that, those match up with the number of blocks we put over here. So now we can kind of think of finding the lengths as finding another equivalent ratio. What do we need to multiply 3 by to make it 12 feet? Well, 3 times 4 is 12 feet, so we multiply 2 times 4, so this is 8 feet, and 4 times 4, so this is 16 feet. Now I think we're ready to find the area of the full trapezoid. So I'm going to clear out everything again. Okay, we know the top base of our trapezoid is 18. The height of our trapezoid is 14. And our bottom base is 16 plus 12 plus 8. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 16 is 36 feet. So 36 feet, we'll call that our base 1. 18 feet, we'll call that our base 2. And 14 feet, we'll call that our height. And then we use our trapezoid formula, area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. So substitute in all of these values. There's base 1, there's base 2, there's our height, and you can do the calculations from there to get your final answer.